Hello! In this video we will see 3 examples on how to rationalize a denominator, and I will show you how to do it using different methods. In the first example we have the expression 1 over square root of 5. This expression has a square root in the denominator. To rationalize a denominator means to eliminate the radical. This means that we have to write this fraction in a form where the denominator is a rational number. So then, how do we do this? Notice that if we take square root of 5 and we multiply it by another square root of 5, then according to the product rule, we can write it as the square root of 5 times 5, which is square root of 25, and square root of 25 is 5. So if we multiply square root of 5 by another square root of 5, we eliminate the square root. So then, in this fraction, we will multiply the denominator by another square root of 5, and if we multiply the denominator by a number, we have to multiply the numerator by the same number. And now, in the numerator, 1 times square root of 5 is square root of 5, and in the denominator, square root of 5 times square root of 5 is 5. So we rationalized the denominator, and now we have square root of 5 over 5. In the second example, we have square root of 8 over square root of 2. In this example, I will show you 3 different methods. With the first method, just like in the previous problem, we will multiply both the numerator and the denominator by square root of 2. Then in the numerator, according to the product rule, square root of 8 times square root of 2 is square root of 16. So we will write square root of 16. And in the denominator, square root of 2 times square root of 2 is 2. So we eliminated the radical from the denominator, but we still have to simplify this expression. Square root of 16 is 4, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So this was the first method, and now let's see the second method. Again we have square root of 8 over square root of 2. With this method, in the numerator we will apply the product rule in reverse, and we will write square root of 8 as square root of 4 times 2. So again, we will write square root of 8 as the square root of 4 times 2 over the square root of 2. Then in the numerator, again by the product rule, we will have square root of 4 times square root of 2 over square root of 2. And now we can cancel square root of 2, and we have square root of 4, and square root of 4 is 2. And now with the third method, we will apply the quotient rule, and we will write square root of 8 over square root of 2 as the square root of 8 over 2. Then 8 divided by 2 is 4, and square root of 4 is 2. And now let's see one more example. In this example, we have square root of 3 over square root of 8. Here I will show you 2 methods, and let's start with the first one. We will start by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by square root of 8. Then in the numerator, according to the product rule, we will have square root of 24, and in the denominator, square root of 8 times square root of 8 is 8. Now we still have to simplify this expression, so in the numerator we will write 24 as a product of 4 and 6. All this divided by 8. And I needed this product because 4 is a perfect square. Now according to the product rule, square root of 4 is 2. We will keep 6 inside the square root and all this over 8. Then we will divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2, and the simplified expression is square root of 6 over 4. And now let's see the second method. With this method, we will write square root of 8 as square root of 4 times 2. So we will have square root of 3 over square root of 4 times 2. Then in the numerator we will have square root of 3, and in the denominator square root of 4 is 2, and we will keep the other 2 inside. And now to eliminate the radical from the denominator, we will multiply both the numerator and the denominator by square root of 2. And now in the numerator, square root of 3 times square root of 2 is square root of 6. So we will write square root of 6. And in the denominator, square root of 2 times square root of 2 is 2. So we will have 2 times another 2. And now we will have square root of 6 over 4. Thank you for watching.